redundant, rhetorical, rhymes metaphorical, carbon and boreum. Science is adorable. When humans are babies, they really just trainees. Figure out the hustle so they don't seem lazy, crazy and desperate, looking upset. Always let shit go till it turns to a mess. It's fucked up and painful. Little things change you, chained to the common definition of an angel. You're never gonna make it, just accept it. So you try to live a life where you don't regret shit, moving rocks to the top of a mountain just to throw 'em back down. And when you get knocked down, pull your ass back up. Life's tough, but that ain't no reason for cheating. Fake freedom, keeping them heaters tucked in your tool belt. If you really wanna be rough, figure out how to squash pride. Even the punch can give you jail time. That's why I studied up how to live life between the lines till Armageddon comes. If it does scratch that verse, I will have guns, Mad Max and motherfuckers till the spaceship comes.